Let me ask you a simple question. Would you like the recipe for a webinar sales funnel? Webinars are unquestionably among the most lucrative ways to sell online, whether that's courses, projects, consulting, whatever it is. Webinars work, which is why all the leading marketers do them. Now, creating a webinar is one challenge, but getting people to turn up and buy is quite another. So what is the secret how to get people to turn up to my webinar? Well, the answer is a webinar sales funnel. That is how all these expert marketers do it. This is the secret sauce behind their webinar that they don't actually ever explain to you or show you. It's all the preparation, all the psychology, all the pre-selling, and then all the follow-up that makes their sales and their webinar effective. So would you like the recipe? Yes? I thought so. Now, all good recipes have a list of ingredients, and this, believe it or not, is only part of the list of ingredients. So what is in my webinar funnel list of ingredients? Well, there's 42 videos, 40 screenshots, 4 Word documents, 40 PDFs, and 1 course workbook. And what is more, these are all taken from a real live webinar sales funnel that I use regularly. So this isn't something hypothetical. This is actually showing you what I put into practice and what works for me. So what's the method? How do you turn this recipe into a fantastic product? Well, the answer is you create and record the list of ingredients, which I've done for you. You upload them to a course platform in the correct order, obviously, and you hit publish. And hey presto, the result is a perfectly concocted blend of instruction and information to create this amazing webinar sales funnel. Now, it looks very complicated, but I break it down. I take you through it step by step. I show you what every single element, webinar page, every single email, every single automation, every single promotional indoctrinational video, the course workbook, everything. I show you the whole thing from soup to nuts so that you have everything you need. Now, if your webinars are poorly attended and low converting, it might not be the webinar. It might be everything else around your webinar, because the webinar is only one page on this diagram. So don't miss out on sales. Enroll in this course today. Discover how to create this amazing webinar sales funnel. And maybe, just maybe, that will be the answer to your webinars going from being poorly converting to being very highly converting. So let me ask you again, would you like the recipe for a webinar sales funnel? If the answer is yes, then enroll today.